I'll not basically teach you the entire start with the module because I don't exactly remember. Yeah, you can write present now. Yeah. So ठीक है. So I'll just go through first, second में क्या था, then third का just एक brief करके we'll freshen up because 1 month we were not 1 month you were almost studying your first semester. Okay, so I'll just brush up कि क्या था इसमें. Yeah. We'll just brush up and with first and second module, and then we'll wrap up and third module as well. Okay. ठीक है. If I'm not audible, tell me. Yeah, I'm audible. Okay. ठीक है. Am I audible, right? Audible and my screen is visible also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. And anyways, fourth lecture है, so I thought maybe tomorrow onwards I'll keep 3 lectures. Let's see. This week it will be an adjustment. थोड़ा adjustments रहेगा. So once we'll get accustomed to everything. So just take a kind of a revision. The first module में है ना, we had studied what is an entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, about this and what is the process of entrepreneurship in the first part, and then we went on to creativity and innovation. Fine. Then after that, if you remember, entrepreneurship meant basically 2 types we have divided: an SME entrepreneur, okay, and an innovative enterprises. Okay, SME means he will start small, ठीक है, छोटा सा small scale industry जैसा he started. इसको we also called as MSME. Okay, in India MSME भी बोलते हैं. M stands for micro, S stands for small, and M stands for medium. Next M. So MSME बोलते हैं. So MSME में initially the growth is fine, but it stables out because the market is limited. Innovation enterprises ka the initial investment is high, so the profit dips and it goes up. So and how the evolution happened in 17th century. पहले entrepreneur नहीं बोलते थे. जैसे marketing का भी I had told you, marketing is around 100 years back. Okay, and the banking which we do, the commercial banking is maybe 200 or 300 years back. ठीक है, वैसा banking as a term it is very old, but जो commercial banking what we do, जिसमें we give interest to the customers who have deposited, we charge interest from the customers who have taken loan. ये सब जो concept है, that is also few hundred years back. ठीक है, 200 300. तो same way entrepreneur भी कुछ साल पुराना ही है. So entrepreneur को these are the things which is required if a person wants to become an entrepreneur. And every person, every individual, हर कोई is a kind of an entrepreneur itself. Even if you are going in a job, you will be an entrepreneur. You should think like an entrepreneur, leader के जैसा, मतलब you should be in such a way that you should be able to solve the problems. Whatever problems comes, you should not raise your hands. अभी क्या करने का पता नहीं, सर को पूछेंगे बाद में करके. If sir is not available, we'll not do the work. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. We should be able to solve the problems there and there, and we should be able to take the decision. अगर if that is the quality, we have a separate word which has been designed, entrepreneur करके. नहीं तो all these characteristics को we need to develop. Everyone has these characteristics. It is not entrepreneur is only born. It can be nurtured and can be found out. Then one small thing I had talked about is Netflix and Blockbuster. How Blockbuster went out of the market and how Netflix captured it, and Redbox. These two captured the market. As the technology was changing, they were adapting to the changes. So they began marketing. Yeah, so they set up their market, Netflix and Redbox. Then functions of entrepreneur basically करता क्या है? He does a decision making, management control. He does the division of the income from the money which have been getting in the sales, where the money should be going, and the main thing is about innovation which he'll be doing. ये भी एक वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग वाज देयर कि व्हेनेवर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात होती है फ्रॉम पास्ट 4-5 years आई गेस, तो 4-5 years का व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड न्यू आइडियाज, तो पीपल कम अप विथ their own idea related to online business or online marketing and all those in these stuffs itself. ठीक है, whenever you are thinking like that वो थोड़ा narrow नहीं होना चाहिए. You are not putting your ideas into a funnel and मतलब छोटा करके नहीं आना चाहिए. You should have a broad view कि पूरा पूरा market को you should be able to look from a broader perspective. It is said out of the box thinking करके, तो वैसा कुछ होना चाहिए. Think what is the problems and what solution you can provide. Okay, one such thing I had explained about Nike. Nike is a kind of a company who doesn't manufacture its shoes. It doesn't have any manufacturing plant. It doesn't own any franchisee outlets. It only concentrates on design and brand management. Okay, so company भी when we are setting up, तो जिसमें we have stronger grip, stronger control, तो वो type की companies will वो type का work we will focus on. Okay, so and the types of entrepreneurs were there. ठीक है, from the exam perspective ये cover क्यों है? Okay, from the exam perspective you need to remember types of entrepreneur: innovative, imitative, Fabian and drone. And अभी ठीक है, अभी तो exam नहीं है, so you have given all this in your IA test. Okay, entrepreneur innovation. I'm not why I'm explaining is this is because in the further modules it is helpful and you might have forgotten this. So just an idea. तो types of entrepreneur है, stages of entrepreneur process, how the entrepreneur starts the process. अभी मेरे को business चालू करना है, कैसे चालू करना है? तो first of all identifying, evaluating the right opportunity, then developing a plan, determining the resources required, and then you manage the enterprises. तो ये step by step process we had discussed. तो इसके अंदर there are details: how to identify, how to evaluate. I'll not go into detail. Then developing a business plan, which you will be doing it. Again, in the next class I'll tell you. I had told you long back, but next class I'll give a idea about how to do a business plan, because your 15 marks is also there of assignment PPT that will be included into this making of business plan. Okay. So yeah, these all things was there. An entrepreneur, which I talked about, when you're going into an organization, एक organization में जाके when you start your work, and in that organization itself you create something, you simplify something, कुछ easy कर देते हैं. Organization इतने दिन से ऐसे काम कर रहा था which was more time consuming और which was more effort taking, जिसमें ज़्यादा मेहनत लग रहा था और ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था. So you went into that organization and you simplified that work. Okay, simplification is also a part of entrepreneurship. That means you are helping your organization by simplifying the things, by making the work fast or reducing the effort. That was there. Then characteristics and creating entrepreneurial culture. Yeah, how we develop this culture in an organization, that is there in this. Okay, then we went to the second part: creativity and innovation. Okay, innovation will be consisting of two things: invention and commercialization. Okay, invention is you are making a product or a service very new, which is not available. Okay, from the past. Now if you go and manufacture mobile phones, it will not be an invention, because it is already there. You are just copying, or you are making it into a better way, or you are adding some functionality. That is not an invention. The invention of mobile phone itself was when it was फर्स्ट लॉन्च्ड कि मोबाइल फोन नाम भी नहीं था फोन का ऐसा. ठीक है, सेल फोन लेटर ऑन वी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग सेल फोन. इसके पहले इसको मोबाइल ही बोलते थे, सिर्फ फोन बोलते थे. कोई कोई हैंड फोन बोलता था. कॉर्डलेस व्हेन इट केम वो हैंड फोन हो गया था. ये इसको मोबाइल बोलते थे सिर्फ. देन वी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग सेल फोन इन स्लैंग लैंग्वेजेस. तो देयर वाज नो नेम इटसेल्फ. टच स्क्रीन फोन. ओके, टच स्क्रीन फोन. देन इट वेंट इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरी. फिर वो पहले वाले फोन को नाम आ गया कि कीपैड वाला फोन or else a feature phone. Okay, so when a product is inventing in such a way, then it is called as an invention. ये कुछ नया invent हुआ है. And if you can commercialize your invention, you can do marketing and you can sell your product in the market. if you can commercialize and you can make profit out of it, then it becomes an innovation. You have there is a invention of a two-wheeler in which you don't need to balance it. It automatically balances itself. ठीक है, whenever you ride signal पे रुके हैं, if you are standing, if you want to if you want to take back the vehicle, there is a reverse gear भी है उसमें, you don't need to balance. That is an invention. ठीक है, but you don't find that kind of two-wheeler in the market. So they have not done a commercialization. It has not been not available to the public. So ये दोनों होता है ना, then you call it as an innovation. So innovation के लिए you need creativity. ये सब हो गया था. Okay, we don't need to go in this. ये हो गया. Then I'll go to second module. And we'll proceed. Second module में it was all about business model and business planning process. ठीक है. In this we studied three things. A model किसको बोलेंगे? What is a business model? What is a business plan? And what is a business model canvas? These three things we dealt upon. ठीक है. Whenever you are developing an idea and you want to put it in the front of anyone, you need to make a plan in which how you will do the marketing, finance, operations of the how many people you will recruit, how you will do the legal procedure. ये सब कुछ from starting to end you need to make a plan. But that plan will be very lengthy, and you don't expect the person who you are approaching will sit and listen to your entire plan. So ये सब unwanted photos है. Okay. So before that, एक प्लान बनाने के पहले एक मॉडल डेवलप करना है एंड मॉडल कैनवस एक डेवलप करना है. तो व्हाट इज दैट एग्जैक्टली इज? Yes, it was very important, and we have dealt this. This is a business model canvas very recently been designed. 2018 में it was implemented. 2018-19 में there was a company called a Strategizer who have made this. ठीक है, there was a person called as Osterwalder, Joseph Ben Osterwalder, something. Osterwalder was a surname of that person who has made this. इसमें क्या है? In one page itself, you will come to know what is your business plan about. ठीक है, because business plan will go in many pages. So एक ही पेज में you will come to know what is your business model canvas. What is your cost structure? What is your revenue stream, channels? How you will provide your products to the customers, your customer relationship. Who will be your customers? Then from the supply side, who will be your partners? Activities क्या रहेंगे, resources क्या रहेंगे from the supply side, and in the middle value proposition, what value you are giving to the customer. Product है 10 rupees का है, but is it worth 10 rupees? Or it can be, it is just worth 5 rupees. If you are making a chips in your company, or potato chips, if you're keeping the price of potato chips as 50 rupees, okay, then it should be worth of that. There should be something different, some quality or some flavors. You are bringing something new to the market, and customer think कि 50 rupees का भी worth है. ठीक है, then that is the value you are providing. It is best understood in the marketing terminology. ठीक है, what is the value you are providing to the customer? एक washing machine if you are making and the washing machine costs 30,000, it is excellent. Then the customer should feel कि 30,000 वसूल हो गया, 30,000 is the worth. So value proposition. So in this one page, you will come to know what is a business model canvas. So similarly, you will develop a business model. Model में you will make understand that हम लोग का exactly है क्या. Whenever जैसा brand positioning या brand image you might have studied, तो उसमें जैसा brand image होता है, what is the image in the minds of the customer of your product or of your company. That is the brand image. So ऐसे ही if there is a Bajaj two-wheelers, then Bajaj two-wheelers will have an image that their bikes are fuel efficient, like that. If you are making and maybe क्या बोलते हैं, Audi 360, Audi के if you are making cars, then your business model will not be a fuel efficient car. Okay, your business model will be styling, a sporty look factor, and the benefits which they give in the upholstery and in the car itself, the speed and the everything else. So in model you will be in a field where you will stick to that field. Audi car, you cannot launch a simple one, a simple Audi car in 10 lakhs of rupees. You are destroying your company in that way. ठीक है, when you are fixed a business model कि इस तरीके का हम लोग का कंपनी रहेगा and we will manufacture these kind of products, then you will stick to that. That is your business model. You can explain. बिजनेस प्लान तो बहुत डिटेल में हो गया. ओके, बिजनेस मॉडल में यू विल आंसर दीज थिंग्स. प्रोडक्ट सर्विस क्या रहेगा एग्जैक्टली, हाउ इट इंटेंड्स टू मार्केट योर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस एंड व्हाट एक्सपेक्ट्स यू टू टर्न अ प्रॉफिट. तो ये बिजनेस मॉडल हो गया. तो ये आई स्किप दिस. Anything 11. Okay, so business models be different types हैं. One example I'll just give you. Subscription model, subscription online subscriptions रहेगा या फिर बिग बाजार में कार्ड you take, so that is a kind of a subscription model. Okay, the first one. Then bundling is two or three different kinds of things you are combining and you are selling it. Okay, bundling में one can it can be, okay, if you're selling chips along with your same company you are having, you're selling chips of your company and biscuits of your company together. Okay, so that will be a kind of a bundling model. Freemium, it is free plus premium. Okay, freemium mein I guess I have given you Z5 ka example. If you go to Z5, you can watch the first episode of some TV, some series of that. But once if you want to watch the second episode onwards, then you need to pay some amount. तो थोड़ा सा फ्री है, थोड़ा सा चार्जेस है. Okay, so that is a freemium model. A razor blade model, the example is of Gillette itself. That's the reason it is called as a razor blade model, where you will give the razor at very less cost, but the blades will be costly. Okay, so Kodak also adopted this. Kodak was selling cameras, so when you sell the camera cost will be very less, but once you click photos, the developing of photo cost is very high. So that is a razor blade model in which two things the customer will need. Okay, जैसे कि if you have a printer, the cost of printer will be low, but the cost of cartridge, the color जिससे print आएगा, cartridge color cartridge black and white जो ink रहेगा, ठीक है, that ink will be costing high. तो printer तो ले लिया, तो without cartridge or without ink, that it is of no use. So you will sell printer at a lesser price, so customer will be happy and he will buy the printer, but he need to buy the cartridge as well. तो कार्टरेज का यू विल कीप इट रेट एज हाई. सो ये रेजर ब्लेड मॉडल हो गया. रिवर्स रेजर ब्लेड मॉडल्स भी होता है, वेर यू विल सेल द प्रोडक्ट एट अ हायर कॉस्ट, बट यू विल सेल द प्रोडक्ट्स only the main product. Like in Apple it does. Apple में phone आ जाएगा सिर्फ, but if you want to connect your phone to computer, you need to buy some wires and some software from them. If you want to connect your phone to television, you want to buy some other softwares and other wires for that. If you want to hear earphones चाहिए, तो earphones separately खरीदना पड़ेगा. Other earphones will not fit into that. If you want to connect Apple iPad or maybe an MacBook Pro, उसका कंप्यूटर एप्पल का कंप्यूटर आएगा तो उसके लिए सेपरेट. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी सेपरेट ऑफ एप्पल. सो दैट इज अ रिवर्स रेजर ब्लेड मॉडल. सो हर चीज़ खरीदना पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी लॉट्स ऑफ एक्सेसरीज, बट द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट एक्सेसरीज विल बी स्मॉल, बट देयर विल बी मेनी एक्सेसरीज. तो रिवर्स ब्लेड मॉडल हो गया. वैसे ही ये सब था. ओके, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, फ्रेंचाइजी, 1-to-1 मॉडल, क्राउड सोर्सिंग मॉडल, लीजिंग मॉडल. So there are business models many a types. So you can go through ये सब. It is very well. A retail model जैसा है. There will be a retailer. Manufacturer model, I'll manufacture and directly sell. Distribution model, I'll make a distribution center and from there it will go. So ऐसे differences. Franchisee model, like McD's and McDonald's and Domino's की franchisee रहते हैं. They don't set up here and there. They don't take the headache on themselves. They sell the franchisee, in which the part of the profit from that franchisee will be given to the main company. ठीक है, that is called as royalty. If you start a Pizza Hut business in Belgaum, and Pizza Hut may, when you're setting up, the what is the furnishing and the designing of that will be done by the company, but you will run the Pizza Hut, and you will keep on paying Pizza Hut some kind of money, which is called as a royalty, because you are using their name and selling their flavors of pizza. So ऐसे different business models थे. Okay, so yeah, so many slides are made. End. Okay, done then. ये तो मैं I'll do it in detail. But, okay, तो third model में नहीं था. Okay, second model में. So third model में it was about the marketing thing. Okay, in the marketing plan कैसे बनेगा, and how you will do a research, gathering of data, secondary purposes. I guess I have not completed this part itself. So I'll start with the next this in the next class इसमें detail में, and forms of organization. ठीक है, ये MBA नहीं भी किया तो भी ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है, यू शुड बी नोइंग इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टिंग द कंपनी ऑल्सो, ये पता रहना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. What is a sole proprietorship, what is a partnership, what is an LLP, what is a joint stock company, and cooperatives. Who, which kind of company is called what, ये important है थोड़ा. And this I'll do it about marketing, secondary sources, primary sources, as you are studying in the research, or you have might have studied this as well. ये एक gathering of data. Okay, primary sources, you will go and you will ask people, you will directly interact with the person who is involved, and you may prepare a questionnaire, you will do an interview with them, or whatever, directly interaction will be there. That is your primary data collection method, primary source. Secondary, it is you will go through the books online, you will, or online websites we will go through. That is your method of data collection using secondary method. Okay, secondary means already someone has done the research and has kept collected the data and has kept somewhere, and you are going and extracting the data and making sense from that. That is our secondary data. So ये दो चीज you will do whenever you will start a business, or think of even this data collection method you will do if you are approaching companies for placements. ठीक है, on your own. तो अगर तो हाँ, so suppose you are finding a job, then you need to do a research. That will be your secondary research. You need to go to the websites, and if you are interested in some kind of a job, कि मेरे को ये वाला करना है, for example, financial equity analyst, ऐसा कुछ. Okay, तो ऐसे कुछ you are interested into that financial analysis में, then you will go and search which are the kind of companies which are there in analytics. Analytics में कौन से companies हैं. Then you will find out, okay, Bangalore में कितने हैं, Mumbai में या Pune में कितने हैं. So how many companies are there? What is their requirement? What they need from you? What kind of questions are asked in the interviews? How many rounds of interviews are there? Is there an aptitude test or a GD? Is there what is there? So that you are searching it right on the internet. So that is your secondary source. Okay, internet, and you're gathering data from that. So your collection of data is secondary data. Okay, but suppose you have a friend or friends of friend, or friends, brothers, sisters, some working in some company, and then you are asking them कि वो company में क्या rounds रहते हैं, what क्या पूछते हैं interview में, and how to prepare for that interview. If you are asking them directly, then you are collecting primary data from that primary person. Okay, so that also you will be doing. So it doesn't mean कि business start करना है तो ये करना पड़ता है. In all the things in your life, you will be doing the research. So this is the method in which, and we'll discuss the method as well. Yes, sir. ठीक है. So अभी फिर next class में अच्छे से start कर दे. I had explained you this how a tea, a product which was never originated in India, but how it came to India. Okay, and what was the way in which the marketing was done. So that इतना inbuilt कर दिया कि now almost every Indian has once, at least in if they don't consume it also, but they might have consumed once in their lifetime. चाय के बगैर ऐसा कोई नहीं बोल सकता I have never drank tea. पिया ही नहीं मैंने चाय, ऐसा कोई नहीं बोल सकता. Okay, so but it is not at all from India. So how Chinese product, it is from Chinese. So how a Chinese product, which was tea, how it came to India and how India adopted it, and now how we feel कि हम लोग का ही है, चाय हम लोग का ही है करके इतना used to हो गए. वो I had explained it in some class, and then I'll do this in detail in the next itself. Collection of data and everything. ठीक है. So okay, so we'll start the session from the next class itself. Tomorrow, I guess, I'll put 3 classes for you. Okay.